Righto, we'd be in the business of changing the battery in a VE remote control key there. Righto, so you want to take your key, it's got a bit of a groove thing here. You just push your screwdriver in there and it'll just slide apart. So this bit that's got the key attached, you want to be keeping that. Now this other bit, that's where you got your buttons and your remote, like junk in there. There's a little clip thing here. Watch your fingers. So once you got that apart, your little circuit board, it comes out in here. And then the other side, you got your battery there. So for replacing your battery, you got the big flat side, which is your positive, it facing down. We're taking our new battery, putting that into the shell there. And it's a matter of just putting the two back together. It all just clips in. Once you've pushed all that together, then you can take your key part of it. And there you have it, new battery in your remote control for your car.